So, hey guys, this is a presentation for DLT Climate Hackathon organized by Hedera Guardian. First of all, a brief intro about me. I am Ankur Gupta from India, currently residing in Gujarat state. I am pursuing my bachelor's course in computer science and am currently in the third year. So, the topic of my project is a policy based on ACM0007 methodology titled Conversion from Single Cycle to Combined Cycle Power Generation. This comes from Clean Development Mechanism policies by United Nations Convention on Climate Change. So this project provides guidance on quantifying emission reductions for projects that involve upgrading power plants from single cycle to more efficient combined cycle operation. Combined cycle power generation makes use of waste heat from a gas turbine to produce steam and power a steam turbine, improving the overall efficiency of electricity generation. Converting existing single cycle turbines to a combined cycle enables more electricity generation with the same fuel input, thereby reducing emissions intensity. Many developing countries like Kenya have a high share of grid electricity generated from legacy single cycle gas turbines or diesel plants with low efficiencies and high emission intensity. Converting these power units to combined cycle can significantly reduce the grid emission factor by improving generation efficiency. This supports grid carbon decarbonization efforts without compromising energy access and reliability. So this is the workflow of our policy. We have three major components or profiles for this policy, which is the registry or the administrator, which is UNFCCC, and we have VVB, which is validation and verification board, and the third is the company or the project participant, which is trying to put their report into this system. So firstly, VVB and project participant registers in in the system, and the administrator approves it. Then the project participants adds adds the essential details in the report, and that report is verified by VVB, and then it is sent to the administrator to verify the details of the report, and thus the coins or the tokens are minted to give to the project participants. So we have two three things in this project, like the baseline emissions and the project emissions and emission reductions. These are the three parameters which we use to judge the number of tokens to be minted. And the whole process requires tools like second, third, seventh, and 10th of the PDD. So let's head to the hands-on section, the demo section. So I'll head to managed Guardian service hosted on the internet. So this is my account on MGS. So this one we have to test right now. So it is already in the dry run state. So I'll register. Right now we have one role, a single role administrator with us. So we'll have to make two users. I've created two users and we will assign the roles accordingly to them. The first one will be project participant. We'll make this Tata Motors for now. And the other one will be the validator. This one will be validator, so I'll name it. Now we'll head to the administrator section to approve these two. This one is approved. We can view the document. So this is all the things we require to know the participant, and we'll approve. So now we'll head to the project participant to make the recipes required. We'll create a new project. So this one has many fields with it right now. So we can use the test button to add test data into these fields. So we add the test data. So we'll create it. So we'll have to validate this one. We'll head over to administrator. In the project section, we'll find this project. We can view the document. This is all good. So we will proceed to validate the policy. Now we'll go back to the project participant part. We'll get a new option called add report to this. We'll have to add the monitoring data into this. So I'll create this using the test data for now. This is created. Now we will have to assign a validator for this report to be validated. So we right now have only one validator profile with us, so I'll assign him this job, and we'll head to the validator profile to verify. So the report has come here, so we can view the document. We can view it as a form or as a JSON object. The form is better. So we have all the data here. It's good to go, and I'll verify this. So now all the reports have been verified, so we can head over to the administrator's profile. Now we have monitoring reports here. We can view the document and verify or reject accordingly. This is good, so I'll approve. So as we approve, the minting process starts at the moment, and it says the coin is minted. All carbon emission reduction tokens have been minted and transferred. So we can head over to VP and view the trust chain, that is the transaction which has occurred. So as we can see, the transaction details have been received here, and we can view all. This shows 0 by 0 because we have used the test data and it may have some errors. So you can see everything has been generated. So that's all. Thank you for viewing the video.